Hi, welcome to Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. Yes. Today, my topic is about strategic management in educational sector. So, by this topic, we can understand what is the importance of strategic management even in educational sector. We came to know that how the strategic management is supporting for the business and industries. So now how it is helpful for the educational sector. So during the last decade, education system have been undergoing a long process of restructuring from the module of educational management. So that was deeply rooted in the past to the strategic management model that is focused on the future. The present study aims to make a contribution to this direction, and we review the current scenario of changes and explores the suitable improvement in educational and objectives in educational management. So, throughout the history, it has been repeatedly demonstrated that those changes and innovations that are driven by the government bodies with the responsibility of education and rarely succeed. Perhaps one of the key reason of that is the needs and the interest of the each individual learning institutions it is the schools or college or university have not been taken into the account, not those of the teaching staffs. Recently, in view of this lack of success, there has been something to change in the way in which the innovation is approached. The need for the educational between the education institutions and the society is now starting to be recognized, taking into the account that particular content of the innovation within the each institutions and acknowledges that they need to act as a individually with the participations and the collaboration formed from the society. So for this, strategic management plays in a very vital role. How to implement, how to evaluate, how to focus on the development. So, what are the suitable improvement as a key aim for the education management? Like the processes associated with the teaching and the classrooms learning should be at the heart of the any call for a change or the innovations, as ultimately it is what the teaching staffs delivers in the classroom that makes the a difference in the learning outcomes of the student, as outlined by. However, in a teaching methodology has changed from last decades to the present scenario. The combined effort of all this working in the educational institutions should be a focused on supporting these two aspects. It makes really a very liberal change in the classroom as well as the teaching practices. So this will have to be a very innovative method of teaching as to be introduced with the help of the strategic and implementation of the processes. So how the students can be how the students we should make the students interactive in the class. So first we should see in what area is interested and in what way we can make the students to make the interesting in the classroom, classroom atmosphere and learning opportunities, and then what is the collaborative approach for teaching methodology. When we go through all this we can understand the understanding capability of the students. Anyway, the students will initially, even though if he's so interested, first 7 to 10 minutes in the research also we have gone through that. First 7 minutes only will show more interest for listening the classes. Even though it is interesting, you may not able to concentrate in the same class with the one way communication. So it is there are different way to reach the students in a strategic management, like the characters, like the features and the key components are to be taken for making the changes in the present scenario. So how to make the interesting, so we can give a practical examples, we can make the participant make the students to participate in the current generations, and he can resolve the cases, like we can make them to involve in the study, so it makes the changes in his present listening, and he will be very interactive, and he will be very attentive in the class. So when we make them to involve in the classes, so how we can make in innovation processes all can be discussed in this chapter, that is strategic management in the educational sector. I hope this topic is will be interesting and useful for the students. Thank you. This is presented by Dr. Vijay Lakshmi Jayaraman. Thank you.